Hi everyone, today we're making a super simple condiment. We're making chili ginger sauce. This is especially good and served with Hainanese chicken rice, but it can also be served with snacks like spring rolls. So let's get started with the recipe. For the chili ginger sauce, you need 5 small hot red chilies or 3 long mild chilies, 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 5 tablespoons of chicken stock. So here I am using fresh chicken stock made from cooking the chicken rice. If you don't have homemade chicken stock, you can use store-bought chicken stock, and if you don't have that, you can even use water mixed with a little bit of soy sauce. We're also adding half a teaspoon of sugar or more to taste, and salt to taste. Let's do a sauce, slightly grainy. Add a little soy sauce to season or add salt if needed. The chili ginger sauce is ready. This is always served with Hainanese chicken rice, but it can also be served with snacks like spring rolls and dumplings. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.